Why don't I agree with you to be a store manag? Hi guys, are you planning to move to the USA? Thinking of becoming a store manager? Sure, the title might sound good, but what about the reward? What about the financial growth, career elevation, and true success? If you're going to take that big leap, why settle for a job that only gives you a title, not the lifestyle you dream of? You deserve more. You deserve a career that pays you what you're worth. At the end of this video, I am gonna suggest 3 jobs for undergraduate candidates and priceless advices. In this video, we're uncovering the top 3 high-reward jobs in the USA that not only pay well but also offer long-term career growth, stability, and prestige. If you want success, this is where you start. And remember, time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on jobs that don't pay you what you deserve. Software engineering. Coming in at number 3, software engineering. With tech ruling the world, software engineers are in massive demand. Whether you specialize in AI, cybersecurity, or full-stack development, you can earn well over $120,000 a year, sometimes even hitting the $200,000 plus range with experience and the right company. No tech degree? No problem. Many people are learning coding online and landing high-paying jobs. The tech industry values skills over fancy degrees. Instead of wasting years in low-paying jobs, invest your time in learning these high-income skills. Healthcare professions, doctors, nurses, physician assistants. At number 2, healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, and physician assistants are the backbone of the medical industry. The USA offers some of the highest salaries for healthcare workers, with doctors earning between $200,000 to $500,000 per year and nurse practitioners making over $100,000 annually. The best part? The demand is never going down. The medical field is recession-proof, pandemic-proof, and always rewarding. Instead of spending years in low-wage jobs, use your time wisely to get the necessary education and certifications that lead to financial freedom. Entrepreneurship and online business. And finally, number 1, entrepreneurship and online business. Why work for someone else when you can build your own empire? From e-commerce, real estate, and digital marketing to YouTube automation, online coaching, and AI startups, opportunities to make 6 and even 7 figures are endless. It's the digital age. Your business can run 24/7 while you sleep. Many people have quit their 9-to-5 jobs, started side hustles, and turned them into full-time 6-figure careers. The secret? They didn't waste their time in dead-end jobs. They focused on building income streams that bring real wealth. So, now you know the truth. Don't settle for just a title. Go after the money, the freedom, and the success you deserve. Whether you choose tech, healthcare, or your own business, the USA is full of opportunities. The question is, are you ready to claim yours? High-earning jobs for undergraduates. But what if you don't have a college degree yet? Don't worry, there are still great opportunities. Here are 3 high-earning jobs where undergraduates can earn up to $6,000 per month. 2. Cab or taxi driver. Rideshare services like Uber and Lyft offer flexibility, and top drivers can make $5,000 plus per month in busy cities with bonuses and surge pricing. 3. Freelance digital services. From graphic design and video editing to virtual assistants and content writing, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to earn $3,000 to $6,000 per month working remotely. So whether you have a degree or not, there are always ways to make high earnings in the USA. The key is to invest your time wisely and choose careers that provide real financial growth. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your dream life is waiting. Go get it.